G'day and welcome to today's video. Today we're just going to go out to the block and have a look and see what's happening out there. The electrician has been out there this week. He's installed some cabling into the conduit in the ground. I know he hasn't connected it yet, but I just want to show you and see what it's all looking like right now. Basically we've got a 3-phase power connection going in, and I just want to have a look at the cabling before it's actually connected up. So I'll show you that as well. See how thick the cabling is. From my understanding it's fairly heavy duty, so we'll go and have a look. I know that the cable is in like I was saying before, but I haven't actually really even seen it. Ooh, it looks good. Alrighty, so here's the access point for the cabling to come out. Underneath there is a conduit that runs all the way down to the end of the driveway. So the 100 meters down the end of that driveway. Man, this cable is hardcore. Alright, take a look at that. Each one of those is roughly, let me just see if I can focus it here. Each one of these is the size of your finger. That cable is like really heavy. He would have had to have used some sort of cable pulling device of some sort to get it to come through this conduit, because 100 meters of that cable, geez, yeah, that's ridiculous. Let's go and have a look at the other end and see what that looks like. So he told me that he's going to come back with a cherry picker to be able to hook up that wiring and stick it up on the power pole. After that's done, he needs to put the power box on. Now the power box is going to live somewhere here. I'm guessing he's going to use those 2 posts there and attach the power box to that, and that'll basically be where our power comes from, and it's distributed to the rest of the block, to the house and the shed and all that sort of thing. So I'm going to do a bit of weed spraying now, so if you want to stick around, I'll get the weed sprayer, get it all going, and we'll go and spray some weeds. What I'm using is actually a selective herbicide, so it's not one that will kill everything. It's just select things that it'll kill, like broadleaf and things like that. So here we go. So I've got the majority of the weed spraying there done for now. It is going to be an ongoing job of getting rid of this, all these weeds and things like that. The main reason is, like I was saying before, that we really want to get rid of the weeds before we end up getting the livestock. It's probably going to be around a year before we even get livestock, so we thought now's a good opportunity to make sure we've got it done. That way any of the residue from all the herbicides and that we've used, which isn't much by the way, will all be gone hopefully by then. So if you're interested in following along on our journey, please hit subscribe, like this video, and also click that bell icon too, so you can be notified of any future updates. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.